Hello, in this video we're going to be capturing a new product into the system. First step to do is go to inventory and to check if the product exists already. In this case we're looking at this product here, which is a toilet brush. So first let's go into products, confirm that the product does not exist first. This is not the product, as this is a wall mount, and the product we're looking for is actually freestanding. So first we'll create. In any product naming service, we put the ultimate description of the product in the beginning. So in this case, it's toilet brush, and then we'll specify any attributes such as freestanding, and then we would set a brand, which in this case is Aston, and then any series. So for example, if it is of a certain group, which this one is actually, and then we'd set a color, which in this case it is chrome. The next thing to do is actually to get a good image of the product. I would normally just go and select all of the text at the top here. If I don't do this, then I would only select, for example, the brand and the series, or the brand and the model number. In this case, I'm going to search everything, and then right click and say search Google for. This is going to open up a new tab where I can then go and select the product. And I believe I see it. It's going to open this here. It is very important to verify that you have exactly the right product. I have a feeling that was the stainless steel product, and I'm looking for the chrome one. Let's see what this yields. Yeah, it looks like it is actually stainless steel. So now I'm going to first save this image of the item. I'm going to put this in a dedicated folder. I'm going to follow the same naming convention as we would to name the product. In this case, I'm only going to put the model, the make of the model. Next, I'm going to open the image so that I make sure I can crop it down as far as possible to make it as legible as possible. Wait for the image to load. And then press this little icon at the top in the Photos app to allow you to crop an image. Now I'm going to crop this image down. Make sure to save instead of save as, so that it overwrites the existing, so you don't waste space and have copies of images you don't. Now go back to the product and set the image in the place you can find it where you saved it. Instead of going and scrolling through your whole folder, the best way to do it is to just type out how you save the image and following the same naming convention as how you'd name the product itself. Next, if this product can be sold or thing, you're going to make sure that's checked, and if it's a track product. Okay, next we want to make sure that this is a storable product, as we want to track the stock. If we didn't care about the stock, we'd set this as consumable, or if this is something that was just came to be out of fruition, it would be consumable. Next up, we want to apply a cost and sales price. So to do that, we're going to go back to the product page. We're going to go find the cost price. In this case, we're actually going to use that. Oh no, we're going to use this now. And you don't use any discounted price or coupon prices for this. Remember, with any calculation, any number field in Odoo allows you to do a calculation, such as in Excel. So we're just going to put an equal sign before the field, and then we'll take that and we're going to multiply by the exchange rate, and that will give you a cost price from the supplier. This is in no way a real cost price. Next up, we're going to take that cost price from the supplier, and we're going to multiply it by our margin of input and any other margins that we may apply, and that there is now the sales price. Should always set a product category, and then make sure the units are as we desire. I'm now going to save this, and that is how you add a product to the system. Very quick and easy. And in this case here, we're adding this product to then create a purchase in of material from a site. So we're going to go right down to the bottom. Now that we've added it, it'll come up. And there we see the freestanding thing, and the cost price is applied automatically. In this case, we just want to check how many we received. I believe it was 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes, we received 3. Thank you very much.